top.
From the top. Guys, welcome to the WyGuy Show remote. Out here in Escalante.
Sometimes it feels like there's just so far to go. Why do we seem to put our dreams so goddamn far from home? But the bags have all been packed. Get up and out the door. No time to look back. Oh, what you waiting for? Ride the train. Window movies flash along the way. Let your worries clear, there's no need to steer. The tracks have all been laid. So ride the train. Welcome aboard. Check your baggage at the door. Or would you rather bring your history than your very favorite fantasy? You can hop from car to car with a spoon of caviar. Oh, no more maps to figure out. You are free to move about. 'Cause in the dining car with an open bar, your name is just a game. And there's a three-piece band with 100 grand, and it's your turn to entertain. Ride the train. 5-star service all along the way. Let your worries clear, there's no need to steer. The tracks have all been laid. So ride the train. If B has got your dream and A is where you are, you could choose economy or a first class railway car. So ride the train. Luxury is waiting in your brain. Let your worries clear, there's no room for fear. This life was meant for play. So ride the train.